In today's automated manufacturing environment, ensuring worker safety is more complex and more critical than ever. Traditional guarding methods like fences and mechanical barriers are giving way to intelligent presence sensing technologies. These innovations offer a perfect balance between safety, flexibility, and productivity. Two standout solutions in this field are Keyence's GLS series safety light curtains and Inspect's 3D safety radar systems. Together, these technologies are redefining what's possible in machine safety by offering adaptable, precise, and fail-safe protection in even the most challenging environments. Keyence's GLS light curtains come in slim, GLSS, and flat, GLSF, form factors, about half the size of traditional curtains. This makes them ideal for space-constrained applications like tight machine frames, robotic arms, or densely packed production lines. Thanks to Keyence's one-line system, these light curtains reduce wiring by up to 77%, simplifying installation and minimizing potential for wiring errors. Built-in mounting brackets further cut down setup time. GLS units feature external status indicators with red, orange, and green LEDs, clearly signaling machine status or safe operating conditions. This boosts visibility and operational awareness, two essential components of safety culture. Keyence GLS models are classified as Type 4 safety devices, offering high-performance protection for high-risk applications. Additional features include edge-to-edge detection with no dead zones, built-in muting and interlock functions that eliminate the need for extra modules, and external device monitoring, EDM, that adds system-level diagnostics. With IP65, IP67 ratings, GLS units withstand dust, water, and mechanical wear. Whether it's a food plant or a metalworking facility, these curtains can handle tough conditions. Unlike light-based or mechanical sensors, Inspect's 3D radar systems use frequency-modulated continuous wave, FMCW, radar to create volumetric protection zones. These are resilient against common industrial issues like smoke, dust, and debris. Inspect detects even micro-movements like breathing, offering unmatched precision. It's ideal for safeguarding dangerous zones where visual sensors might be obstructed or unreliable. Through the Inspect safety application, safety managers can define custom detection fields and adjust them on the fly. This gives facilities flexibility to adapt as workflows evolve. Inspect is the only 3D radar system certified for SIL2 PLD safety levels, making it compliant with ISO 13849 and IEC 62061. Inspect radars can dynamically protect AGVs, stopping them in real time if personnel enter their path. Light curtains also assist at fixed points like docking stations. Light curtains and radar zones around robot arms prevent unsafe access. In the event of an intrusion, the system halts movement immediately. Safety systems need to protect, yet remain flexible. GLS curtains provide clear visibility, while Inspect handles environments with debris or varying light conditions. Light curtains offer rapid response times critical for preventing contact with moving press components. Safety mats or interlocks can supplement them for layered protection. Both technologies help minimize unnecessary stops. With zone muting, diagnostics, and smart response times, equipment only halts when a true hazard occurs. Meeting OSHA, ISO, and ANSI safety standards is easier with certified devices like GLS and Inspect. They reduce audit risks and demonstrate proactive safety planning. Real-time visual indicators and flexible zones promote safer work habits. Employees are more likely to follow protocols when they're simple, visible, and intuitive. For most facilities, using both technologies in tandem offers the highest degree of protection. Light curtains for precision and radar for robustness. Investing in advanced presence sensing devices can yield significant returns. Fewer injuries lead to reduced workers' comp claims, less downtime results in higher throughput. Improved morale creates an engaged and confident workforce, and audit readiness lowers regulatory risk. According to the National Safety Council, the average cost of a workplace injury is over $42,000. Even preventing a single incident can justify the investment. Start with a risk assessment to evaluate hazards, workflows, and access points. Choose the right devices. Don't over or under specify. Match tech to risk level. Collaborate with OEMs and integrators to ensure proper installation and configuration. Train your team so technicians and operators understand both the function and importance of presence sensing devices. Periodic validation keeps systems compliant and effective. The future of machine guarding lies in intelligent, integrated, and intuitive safety systems. With technologies like ANSI's GLS series light curtains and Inspect's 3D radar, manufacturing facilities can achieve compliance, efficiency, and most importantly, protection for their people. If you're upgrading your machine guarding system or building a new one, consider implementing these next-gen tools for the smartest and safest results. Need help selecting or installing presence sensing technology in your facility? Contact PowerSafe Automation for a consultation or safety audit.